Okay, what's going on everyone? Welcome to another video. We're gonna have a fun one today. We're just gonna go for a cruise. We're gonna do the famed route from Skyline to Alice's restaurant in Woodside, California. Should be a lot of fun. We got Mark over there with his Lexus GSF. Jose's brought out his BMW 3 Series. And of course, I got my S2000. So we're just gonna have fun today. Some cool VTEC noises, so enjoy. Okay, before this video goes any further, I need to explain the microphone setup that I had in my car because I didn't go over it before we went for a drive. I have an external mic connected to the rear of the car right above the exhaust. So what you're going to be hearing is not in-cabin sounds, it is purely exhaust sounds that are coming from the rear of the car. Enjoy the sweet VTEC sounds. Hella cool. Damn, that's how you build up that armpit sweat right there.
I was trolling like a tuner car guy. He was like, "Oh, that noise for nothing." And he was like, "What? You want to race?" And the Tesla was like, "Let's go right here or down the straightaway." And the guy down there
I think that I'll probably just end the video right here. You guys want to say bye? This is it. I'm gonna end the video right here. We had a lot of fun today. Might do something else after this, but I think I want to put my phone down and just enjoy my car for a little bit. So, all right, until next time, take care. Peace out.